Hey there, Valerie Knauls from Knauls Produce here, and today I'm going to tell you how to keep all of your fresh herbs fresh, right? It's summer when I'm recording this. I don't know when you're watching it, but it's summer right now, and we are getting tons and tons and tons of local herbs coming in fresh all the time. We just love this time of year. It's so much tastier to cook with fresh herbs than it is dried stuff. This is a big bunch of fresh basil I've got here. But a common problem is you take it home, you put it in the fridge, and within a day it's wilted. You know, you can pick off a few leaves to use it, but it's not convenient to pick up fresh herbs for the week. You almost have to pick them up the day that you're planning on using them. Well, we have figured out a really, really useful trick here, and I'm excited to pass it on to you. So when you pick up your fresh herbs, this is basil here, you're gonna rinse it off, give it a quick rinse, and then put it in a drinking glass or a mason jar with a little bit of water in it. You don't want so much water that all the leaves are submerged. Submerged leaves will get gross really quickly. You just need to cover the bottoms. Bonus points if you give it a fresh cut on the bottom so it can draw up a little bit of water. And then, here's one that's finished. After you put your herbs in water, put a plastic bag over it. You don't have to seal it, just put a plastic bag over it. And what that does is it reduces its exposure to oxygen, which kind of slows down the aging process. And it also helps the moisture level stay intact. As it releases moisture, it's trapped right in here like a greenhouse, and it all stays right there and keeps your leaves hydrated and from going wilty. So you can do it just like this, put it back in the fridge. You can even leave it out on the counter like this for a little bit of time, but it's better if you can find room for it in the fridge just like this. You'll notice if you're shopping with us at Knauls that sometimes we display them like this because we have the same problem that you do with them staying fresh. We want them to be fresh on the shelf for you to shop from. You don't want wilted stuff to buy, but we were having the same problem that we couldn't keep it fresh on the shelf. So we just put them in water and stick a plastic bag over the top. How about that? All right, well, we'll see you next time. Bye.